Hey there, spiritual seekers. Today I want to share with you an incredible concept from chapter 1 of I Am You. You are I Am, the divine key let. This powerful little word has the potential to transform your entire being. You see, let is not about passive resignation. It's an active alignment with your divine nature and the natural flow of life. Imagine unlocking your authentic self, releasing limiting beliefs, and opening up to endless possibilities. Sounds amazing, right? Let's dive into the key aspects of let. First and foremost, let carries the authority to create change. Think of it like a divine decree. When you say, "Let there be light," you're not just hoping for light to appear. You're commanding it into existence. That's the power of let. Next, let allows you to align with the universal flow rather than forcing outcomes. Imagine you're in a river. Fighting the current is exhausting and futile. But when you let yourself float, you effortlessly move with the flow. This is how let works in your life. It creates space for transformation by releasing resistance and opening you up to new experiences. Finally, let serves as a creative tool for bringing new realities into being. When you let something happen, you give permission for the universe to co-create with you. You're saying, "I am ready for this transformation." And that's when the magic happens. So, how can you incorporate let into your spiritual practice? Start small. Use let in your daily affirmations. For example, "I let go of fear," or "I let joy into my life." Notice how this shift in language impacts your mindset and your reality. Remember, let is a divine key that unlocks your authentic self. It's not about giving up control. It's about embracing your true power and aligning with the natural flow of life. So take a deep breath and let yourself be open to the transformative power of let. Your divine nature awaits. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow spiritual seekers. Until next time, let your light shine bright.